Hey there, gunslingers. Are you tired of scouring the web, reading countless reviews, only to still be uncertain about the best 22 long rifle pistol for you? Do you feel like you're navigating a maze of specs, models, and brands? Well, your search ends here. Strap in, because today we're taking you on a whirlwind tour of top 7 22 long rifle pistols you must watch before you buy. With this list in your arsenal, you'll be sure to hit the bullseye on your next purchase. So, let's load up and jump right in. Taurus TX22 Compact. Kicking off our countdown is the Taurus TX22 Compact, a real game changer in the world of rimfire pistols. Since its spectacular debut in 2019, it has not only turned heads, but has rapidly ascended to fan favorite status among the rimfire community. What sets this compact pistol apart is its impressive array of 16 distinct models, each meticulously designed to cater to a diverse range of shooting tasks and preferences. From the casual backyard plinker to the competitive sharpshooter, there's a TX22 model that's a perfect fit. The Taurus TX22 Compact is more than just a pistol. It's a versatile platform that allows every shooter to tailor their experience to their individual style and taste. Smith and Wesson SW22 Victory. Next up, the Smith and Wesson SW22 Victory. With its stainless steel design and smooth flowing aesthetics, this gun exudes a classic charm. It's not just about good looks though, it comes with glowing fiber optic sights, a comfortable polymer grip, and an easy disassembly procedure. The SW22 is certainly a victory for those who value a perfect blend of style and functionality. Browning Buckmark. When it comes to accuracy, few can rival the Browning Buckmark. Trusted by competitive shooters across the globe, this pistol stands as a testament to Browning's reputation for superior craftsmanship and unwavering quality. The Buckmark is not just a firearm, it's an aesthetically pleasing masterpiece of design and engineering that doesn't compromise on performance. Whether you're a competitor seeking precision or a firearm enthusiast appreciating its sleek lines, the Browning Buckmark ensures that every shot counts and looks good doing it. Alright folks, enjoying the ride so far? We're just warming up. Get ready to dive deeper into the realm of 22 long rifle pistols. Remember, the best is yet to come, so stay tuned. Keep your eyes on the target and let's march ahead. The real game of power and precision is just beginning. Sig Sauer P322. Enter the arena of tactical superiority with the Sig Sauer P322. This remarkable firearm comes optics ready and features a threaded barrel, making it the epitome of tactical prowess. With an impressive 21 round capacity and an intuitive, user-friendly design, the P322 is a compelling choice for any gun enthusiast. Whether you're into sport shooting or simply enjoy the feel of a finely crafted firearm, the Sig Sauer P322 offers a uniquely satisfying experience that's sure to capture your interest. Kel-Tec CP33. Unquestionably an innovative design in the 22 long rifle category, the Kel-Tec CP33 might strike some as unconventional or even quirky. But don't let its unique design mislead you. This intriguing firearm packs a hefty punch in the reliability department, and it's nothing short of impressive. But what truly sets it apart is the remarkable 33-round quad-stack magazine. This enormous capacity reduces the need for frequent reloads, thereby allowing you to focus on your target and enhance your shooting skills. It's a surefire delight for any gun enthusiast who appreciates high capacity coupled with reliable performance. Ruger Mark IV. Immersed in a rich lineage, the Ruger Mark IV is not just any pistol, it's a part of history. Having evolved from Ruger's flagship model that was initially launched in 1949, the Mark IV continues to honor its heritage while embracing modern advancements. Offering an exceptional shooting experience, this firearm impresses with every round fired. However, it's the Mark IV's enhanced disassembly procedure that's been a game changer. Simpler and more efficient than ever before, it has significantly improved the overall user experience. Whether you're a seasoned shooter or a novice, the Ruger Mark IV beautifully bridges the gap between tradition and innovation. Walther Colt M1911A1. Last but certainly not least, we have the Walther Colt M19A1. This stunning piece merges the time-honored M1911 pattern pistol with the practicality of the rimfire realm. It embodies the sturdiness and reliable performance of the classic Colt design along with the affordability of a .22 long rifle round. This makes it an ideal choice for those with an affinity for the traditional M1911 form factor, but who are also seeking a more economical shooting experience. The Walther Colt M1911A1 truly offers a tasteful blend of classic design with a modern touch of cost-effectiveness.